Hello guys, you are watching TechInfos.in and in this video we are going to learn about how we can install Tor browser in our Kali Linux latest version 2020.1. Guys, please watch full videos because in this video we are going to discuss the quickest and the easiest way to install Tor browser in Kali Linux. We are not going to use any command in our Linux terminal to install this Tor browser. So guys, check the description link. I have put the blog link regarding this installation also, you can check that. So guys, let's start this tutorial. So guys, as you can see, I am having Tor browser in my Linux and I can search anything here. The default DuckDuckGo search engine is here, and you can see if I click on the lock icon, you can see the Tor circuit, the IP's addresses are here, and the location is not showing here because it's not Google. Google always show the location from where I'm using the internet on Tor browser. So guys, let's come to the topic. So the topic is like how you can install this. We are not going to use any command on our Linux. So just you have to do one thing. Just open your Google and search here for Tor browser. When you hit the enter button in Google, there will be a first link regarding Tor browser download. Just click on the first link, and here the several platforms available where you can download your Tor browser. Just click on download for Linux. When you click download for Linux, the download be will start. So here you can see that I have already downloaded. So let's come there. Let me show you that I have downloaded this is a zip file .xz. So what you have to do, just right click over here and click on extract here. When you click extract here, it will start extracting. As I am already have extracted over here, you can see these all are the files, internal files, and this is the setup. So to run Tor browser, here you just have to right click over that icon and just click on execute. When you will click on execute, this will start, the window will open of Tor browser, and here now you can search anything. The default engine, as I have said that the default engine used by Tor is Google DuckDuckGo. It's not Google, it's DuckDuckGo. So guys, hope you got this video how you can run Tor browser or install Tor browser in your Kali Linux latest version, XFC version. So guys, if you want to make it install internally as a file system, like we all do while installing it via terminal, so you can do it. So just copy this and just go in file system where all the applications usually installed to terminal, just paste it there and just copy the setup file and just paste the shortcut here. Just make the shortcut here like create launcher, name as Tor, working directory, just give it like where you have installed it. This is going to the working directory. The command will be the Tor browser setup. Here the setup is showing, but I cannot select it. Maybe because of I am not logged in as a root user. I am as another user logged in my Kali Linux terminal. So guys, just do one thing. Just click over here and switch user from home, like from the current user to the root user. You just have to log in as a root user in Kali Linux and then do the following process and just click on this folder icon here and just select Tor Browser desktop, or then just click on here create, and this will create a shortcut icon over on the desktop, and then just double click over that shortcut icon that you have created just now, and then the Tor browser will open as you have opened already by just executing that Tor setup. So guys, hope you like that tutorial. If you guys like this tutorial, just click on the like button and comment if you are facing any error, and you can comment regarding any other questions over Kali Linux guide and any other guide. I will assure you that I will make another video to solve your query. So guys, hope you will be stay with us. Just subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get latest update. So guys, let's meet you in another video. Bye bye.